Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Cali Fair. The Cali Fair is an important event. Approximately 2,200,000 people attend annually, including some 300,000 foreign tourists. They arrive at the fair mainly for its climate, events and rumba, becoming one of the main tourist destinations in Colombia between December 25 and 30 of each year. I have been living in Cali for 3 years, and for me it's a pleasure to enjoy the parties. The most special thing about Cali is its people and dancers of salsa. Thanks, it's all for today.